Well, the stock in focus, the company in focus is Amara Raja Batteries. Now, the battery developer is actually gone ahead and given its results, and when you're talking about this particular results and this particular company, the results are quite encouraging. Revenues have grown by close to 33%. The company has seen significant demand traction in the last couple of quarters. Talking about number one, replacement battery demand as well as fresh demand has come in from OEMs. Along with that, when you're talking about the entire UPS or inverter demand, that too has been quite strong, especially when you're talking about Amara Raja Batteries. When you're talking about the core EBITDA has seen a jump of close to 30%, with margins coming in at close to 15%. So the core EBITDA figure coming in at 320 crore and margins at 15.1%. The adjusted PAT figure has come in at close to 190 crore versus 137 crore last time around. Remember, the base quarter, you're seeing a bit of an inflation, especially when you're talking about the actual numbers, you're seeing quite a bit of a pop-up due to the lower base that we saw last time around, and the base effect is something that is showing to quite a bit of an inflated figure, especially when you're talking about the key headline numbers. When you're talking about the auto segment has grown almost 34% on a year-on-year basis. Good demand coming in there. Industrial segment growth has jumped up by close to 20% on a year-on-year basis. The two-wheeler OEM segment of the company has also seen good growth on the back of new order wins. And when you're talking about one of the very important developments for Amara Raja Batteries, remember the company in one of the largest factories that the company has, in fact multiple factories that the company has in one of the largest states of India, did see some troubles with the local pollution control board. So the local pollution control board in a couple of weeks ago actually said that Amara Raja would be forced to shut down all of its operational facilities, operational plants, and the company had indicated to the exchanges that this could have a material impact if not solved clearly. However, the company has said that all of the factories are now operational. The company has received permission to run all of the factories, and this will come as a significant relief. Analysts have gone ahead and analyzed these numbers. The other important thing that the management said is that they expect UPS demand, that is the inverter demand, to remain really steady in the coming quarters. Now, what are analysts looking at? Analysts have actually compared two of India's largest battery makers, Amara Raja and Exide Industries. What they're saying is that it is the second consecutive quarter where actually Amara Raja has underperformed Exide Industries when it comes to the revenue growth. However, when you're looking at this particular figure on an FY21 basis, Amara Raja has still managed to outpace Exide. The other important development is that you have to look at the valuation comfort, and Amara Raja still trades at a significant premium valuation compared to Exide Industries, and this is something that you need to keep an eye out for going forward, whether the valuation discount narrows or continues to expand. It's an important development to track. Also, a lot of analysts are worried about the kind of new cell advancements that are coming in and whether the kind of disruption it could create as far as the normal battery or the original local OEM batteries is concerned.